Counting down the days down here to do some more work. Okay, so I'm going to install some pop-up cleats. This is where I'm estimating to put them so that I can put fenders, which are bumpers to the normal folks. Hang some fenders down. It's the most expensive swim platform on the market. But one reason that is because they don't use any wood. All the other companies use wood. They use, what is it called? They use this type of board. I bought this because I wasn't sure how thick it was, and I figured I would need this to kind of take up some space, but I don't, because they have triple layer in the middle, which is probably over 1.5 inches, and then they have another layer that's about 1.25 inches, then fiberglass at the very end. So that's, I don't know if it shows up on the camera. This is layer 1 that bolts up and holds whatever. Then layer 2 is for the platform itself, you know. So I don't think I need this. I just paid $82 for this, so I think I could take that back, thank goodness. Here's the fender for reference. The cost to be the boss. Without the heavy duty. This is my newest kit for drilling multiple size holes. I burnt myself to death. Uh-oh. Okay, I could use a rubber mallet to get that down. What I'm going to do though is put my sealant on. Even though I don't need it because this is all vinyl. It ain't really sealing anything. Got to measure it out equally. About roughly 1 inch back from the tread line. 21 inches between the two. All right, that first one went all right, better than I planned. All right. Now I am gonna put some sealant on it. Like I said, I don't know why I would do that. It's all plastic. This is all vinyl, PVC board. It's nothing to, you know, but I'm just gonna do it just because I have a ton of sealant. Then I'm gonna put some Loctite. I don't know if I should put anti-seize on the bolts or not. I'm gonna put Loctite on it though. All right, got the first one down. Just gonna tighten them up. This is what a pop-up cleat is. Mission accomplished. Loctite on it. Here's a test. Well, this is just the concept of it. 2 of them right there. I have some special ones with ropes that'll make it easy just to flip through. Quick mount. 2 of them on there. This should work out great. Yeah, I don't know how pumped I am because so many people just tore up my swim platform last year. So this is fantastic. You already put the coupe in the shop too, just for a checkup. Only got 84,000 miles on old girl. About to hook her up to the boat and tow the boat out with this joint.